Alright guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you in an easy step by step how to change from the block editor back to the classic editor. If you are using the block editor, so you don't want to use it anymore, so you want to change back to the classic editor. So this is how you do it in an easy step by step. So, and by the way, if you want to know how to change to the block editor, I've made a video about that. You can watch my video down below, the link is down below. So right now, let me show you how to change back from the block editor to classic editor. The first thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that the plugin is still on your website. So you want to, if it is not on your website, so you want to install the plugin. So let's go here to the plugin, and you want to make sure that the plugin is on your website, the classic editor. So if it is not on your website, you want to download it. So to download new plugin, you want to click the top side there, add new. So you want to add new plugin at the top there. So here is the classic editor. As you can see right there, I have deleted the classic editor plugin from my website. So now I have to install it again. So let me install it back again. And that is it. Now I may also want to download the classic editor widget, so that I can be able to get the widget as classic editor. So I want to classic widget. So here's the classic editor widget. You also want to download the classic editor widget into your website, so that you also, if you want to edit the widget, so you get the classic editor as the widgets also. If you want to edit your footer, your menu, and so on and so forth there, so that you can edit all your website with the classic editor. So you want to install the classic editor widget also. And now you are ready to go. So now that you have downloaded the plugin, so you are ready to go. So you want to go ahead to the plugins area and activate all those plugins here. Activate the two plugins. So you want to activate the classic editor. You want to activate also the widget here. Go up here, bulk, activate, apply. So now that you have activated, so you want to go to the settings area down here, and you want to go to written. So now you want to make this the classic editor the default editor for all your users. So for your user, you want to use the classic editor, so no more block editor. So, and if you like, you want to also change this also, so that you can be able to change from the classic editor to block editor if you like within your post. Okay, so you have the option to choose this. If you tick yes here, this option will allow you to change right from your post there, from classic editor to block editor. I'm going to show you right now what I'm talking about. So when you finish, you go down here, scroll down here, and hit save change. Now that we have save change this setting right here, so let's say one of my page here is let's say this page here is, let's say this simple page here, I use classic editor for it. Now I use block editor. So let's say this simple page, I use block editor for it. Now I want to change it to classic editor. You can just go from here and edit it with the classic editor right now. So you have the option block editor and classic editor. So you can choose from classic and block editor. So now the post now is on classic editor. And if you want to change it back to the block editor, back again, you can just scroll down here, click the switch to click block editor. This will change this post here to block editor back again, back to block editor. So as you can see right here, the page has been changed. The simple page has been changed, so back to block editor. So if you want to change it back again to block to classic editor, you just click here and switch it back to block to classic editor. Here, switch to classic editor right there. When you click that, it will shift back to the classic editor. So that's how you do it. Now that you know how to change your post and pages to classic and block editor, you also want to know how to change the widget. Let's see if we can also set up our widget here with the classic editor. So to do that, to know about that, we want to go to widget here. So as you can see, now our menu and our widget area is of classic editor. So it will be easy for us to just move things around here and add stuff. Very easy. So that's how you change from block editor to classic editor to block editor within your WordPress website. So guys, if you have anything to say about this video, you have any question at all upon this video, let me know down below in the comment section down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.